Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how to fix battery drain problem in your Samsung smartphone. So let's start the video friends. So if your battery is draining too fast, there is a reason. If you are playing games while charging your smartphone, so this will also degrade your battery health also, and this will no longer be new. So you have to avoid these things. Click on the settings and you have to charge with your smartphone with original adapter. If you are charging with another or local adapters, so this will also degrade your battery health also. So click on this applications, click on search, and here you have to write Google Play Services. You have to clear cache this application. Then you have to just do a software update. If you have not done, just do it and clear some of the application files, folders, photos and videos, so to make some space. And then you have to turn off automatically updates at night. If you are not using your smartphone, so it will also battery drain uh, when you are not using it, and it will do a software update. So turn it off. You can do it manually. So this is the steps you can just fix this problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.